Exfoliation is a key component of healthy skin and one that many of us may overlook and possibly not understand. Dermalogica have once again brought innovation into the formulation of their new Daily Milkfoliant, ensuring that every skin can get the best results from exfoliation. Daily Milkfoliant is a vegan oat and coconut based exfoliation that is created for all skin types, which is really important to know, particularly if you have sensitive skin. The fine oat powder gently loosens the dead skin cells for a brighter and clearer skin, while the coconut conditions the skin, leaving it looking really soft and smooth. The addition of the AHAs and BHAs allow the skin to be exfoliated further whilst also being so very gentle. A key to a great exfoliation is that the skin's natural moisture barrier is not influenced in any way, and this is often where we are unsure as to if exfoliation is right for us. And the key really is how the exfoliator is formulated. Daily Milkfoliant uses hyaluronic acid, which is a powerful humectant, meaning it can draw moisture to the skin and also hold it, and therefore it supports the skin's barrier. Saccharine isomerate also supports this balance, but it also helps to balance the skin's microbiome. And for if and when the skin needs some calming, the atomized sea salt does just that, being so rich in minerals. Now, as you use on your damp skin, because it is water activated, the very soft, creamy foam, it just glides over the skin, very gently, but very, very effectively. And then when you rinse the skin, you see how bright and smooth and almost energized the skin looks. And of course, exfoliation helps all of your treatment products move deeply into the skin and act much more effectively. So you should expect to see some really wonderful results on your skin. Now, keep in mind that exfoliation is that key step in any skincare regime. And so to make sure that you get yours, go to skinmart.com.au.